Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I filmed this olive eye makeup with a nude lip and lots of highlight and bronzing and contouring. So if you want to know how I created this look and what I used to create it, please keep on watching, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and of course subscribe to my channel. So I'll start with priming my lids and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05. And I'll set it with shade Saint from Revolution Pro palette. For my transition, I'll use this shade from BH Bronze palette. For next shade, I'm using this. Look at my nail. These are all long and this one broke. It hurts so much, but I didn't want to shorten rest of them because I don't know. They're nice, like this. So I'll use this hand to show. So next I'll use this shade from Reloaded Division palette. It's lighter olive shade. Next I'll take this a bit darker shade, also olive one, with a bit smaller brush. I'll focus it a bit more in the crease. I'll apply this even darker green shade. Now I'll take that first olive shade and I'll blend all of that together. So now for my lid, I'll mix these two shades and I'll wet it a bit. I'll go back to this darkest shade and I'll blend just a bit this outer edge and a bit crease. Now I'll create a wing and I'm using this Essence of liquid ink eyeliner. For my concealer, I'm using Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Concealer and I'm applying it on the brush, on a flat brush and then on my face. It's a bit thicker concealer, so I think this is easier way. A link video where I'm reviewing Revolution Pro, but honestly, I really like this concealer and it seems so thick, but it blends in a second. It's so weird. It's a bit greasier concealer, so I'll set it with Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent Powder. I don't know why, but this didn't record, so on my lower lash line I used this darkest shade, darkest green shade we used on my outer half, and then I blended it with this lightest shade, lightest olive shade we use. Now I'll use this highlight from BH Cosmetics palette, it's bronze palette. Next I'll contour a bit with this shade from the same palette. And now I'll use this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan to bronze a bit. And to end my face, I'm using this shade from e.l.f. palette, e.l.f. blush palette, it's in the dark. I almost forgot, so for my inner corner I'll use this, it's like white gold shade. Total Temptation from Maybelline is my mascara today. And now, while my lashes are drying, I'll use Rimmel Cappuccino Lip Liner. And over that I'm using Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lipstick. So this is the completed look. I applied my lashes and I used Azaredo in the style Doll. And my discount code is Dora 10, I'll leave it right here. Guys, this is my finished olive look. Honestly, I think it looks great. So I hope you liked this look and how I did it and what I used. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends if you want to know something, or if you have some advice or anything you want to say, please leave a comment below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!